Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. This is Josh Consults. I will bring you the best property deals right here in the city of Enugu State, Nigeria. So for those of you looking for a property where you can start building your dream home right here in the city of Enugu, that is very affordable, that is not very costly, very affordable, and then also luxurious, I have a particular project that I will introduce to you that you would love so well. So this project, we are currently on a pre-launch price with this particular project. So what they call the estate is Emerald Court Estate. Now Emerald Court Estate is located along the Enugu Airport Expressway. So it is just 5 minutes drive away from obinagu. So this particular project is located at Akwa. So it's located at Akwa Nike. You understand? So this project is selling for 10 million naira, and it is a buy and build project. It is a buy and build land. So when you buy from us, we'll allocate you, we'll do physical allocation, and you can also start up your structure in this particular estate. Now the sweet thing about this estate is that it is not far from the road. It is not far from the road. You can easily trek to the site. That's one. Secondly, it comes with a very strong and authentic document. Now it comes with a C of O. It comes with a C of O, and you know C of O is one of the highest documents right here in Nigeria that you can have for your land. So this property comes with a C of O. So and we are giving it out for 10 million naira for the first 10 lucky subscribers in this particular estate. So we are running it from this month down to December. For the first 10 persons that will bring 10 million naira, we'll be selling this estate to you at this pre-launch price. So from next year, we'll be selling it at the normal price, which is 15,450,000. So all you have to do today is to call Josh Consult so I can bring you to this particular estate. Now this is the best time to buy a property. Why? Because every real estate company wants to close their book, so they tend to reduce their prices so as to make this thing affordable, so as to close up on a particular project to close their book for the year. Now this is the best time for you to key into this property. If not, you'll be buying it for 25 million naira next year. All you have to do today is to call Josh Consult so I can bring you for purchase and also for inspection to Emerald Court Estate. Thank you.